Viewers, the big story that we have for you this morning is the latest as far as the situation in West Bengal is concerned. It has been a week since things took a turn for the worse in unimaginable ways for hundreds of families, especially in Murshidabad. Now, as the riot-hit areas pick up the pieces of whatever is left of their lives, the chronicling of what really transpired begins. State BJP President Sukanta Majumdar took a group of people rendered homeless due to the recent riots to the Raj Bhavan, where they narrated their ordeal to Governor C.V. Ananda Bose, who has now decided to visit the impacted areas himself.
See, I had been to Delhi. What transpired in Delhi, I do not want to convey it now. I am going to the field. Let me also have a personal account of what really happened in the field. That's a reality check which I am doing today. I am also meeting some of the victims who have come to meet me here. After taking the views of all sections of society who are affected, then I will tell you what exactly is the report.
Now, viewers, the governor's visit comes in defiance of Mamata Banerjee's request for him to postpone the trip for a few more days. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said that this is not the right time for non-locals to visit the areas as the situation was gradually returning to normalcy and confidence-building measures were still underway. Chief Minister had said that she herself has decided against visiting the affected areas at present to avoid triggering political one-upmanship. Listen in.
বর্ডারও আমাদের হাতে নেই প্লিজ রিমেম্বার আগে বর্ডারের 5 কিলোমিটার পর্যন্ত বিএসএফ এর আন্ডারে ছিল প্রেজেন্ট হোম মিনিস্টার আইন করে 50 কিলোমিটার করে দিয়েছে অর্থাৎ আমাদের মানুষ থাকলেও আমরা তাদের সাথে গিয়ে দেখা করতে পারি না তারা আমাদের সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারে না
Now, viewers, Mamata Banerjee, who met Muslim clerics just days ago, may not consider it conducive to meet those at the receiving end of violence. But teams from NHRC and NCW, the central rights bodies, are headed to Murshidabad and Malda to take stock of the situation and help them with rehabilitation.
के अनुसार कि महिलाओं का उत्पीड़न भी हुआ है और उसके साथ साथ महिला बहुत भयभीत भी है इन सभी स्थिति का हमें जायजा लेना होगा प्रत्यक्ष शिविर में हम जाएंगे उन महिलाओं के साथ बात करेंगे और स्थिति समझ कर लेंगे मैंने वही कहा कि रिपोर्ट्स तो वैसे आ गई है पर हमें प्रत्यक्ष रूप में वहां पे जाके ही जायजा लेना पड़ेगा उन महिलाओं के साथ बात करनी होगी पर अगर ऐसी इस तरीके की कोई उत्पीड़न की घटनाएं घटती है महिला बहुत भयभीत है तो ये घटनाएं नहीं होनी चाहिए इसका संज्ञान हम जरूर लेंगे
देखिए पश्चिम बंगाल के मालदा में एक टीम हमारी कल सवेरे जाकर के जो है इंक्वायरी करेगी इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेगी दोनों सीनियर ऑफिसर हैं हमारे वो दोनों वहां जाकर के कल एक टीम के साथ ये पूरा का पूरा इन्वेस्टिगेट करेंगे हमको एक रिपोर्ट सबमिट करेंगे कैसे इनका पुनर्वास हो कैसे इनको वापस लाया जाए इस संबंध में जो माननीय उच्च न्यायालय के निर्देश होंगे उनका भी पूरा पालन किया जाएगा
So this is the big story that we have for you viewers at this point in time. Today is an important day in the state of West Bengal. In fact, the West Bengal governor, C.V. Ananda Bose, will be visiting the violence-hit areas in Murshidabad specifically. Now remember, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee had urged the governor, C.V. Ananda Bose, to postpone his proposed visit to Murshidabad. It is a district where we saw communal clashes taking place over the newly enacted Waqf Amendment Act. And we'll see how eventually things pan out as far as the situation there is concerned.